Hi guys, welcome back to the Sonic Oasis. My name is Mfundo, and in this video we are checking out Ember by Yam Audio. So I believe this is the very first Yam Audio plugin that I'm featuring on this channel, and I also believe this is the very first VST instrument that they have made. So this is dubbed as the Vibe Machine, a vibe-driven analog synth. So this plugin gets its character from embracing imperfections. So it can emulate wear and stability, which allows you to dial in how old or how unstable you want it to sound. So this is no new concept by any means. There's a lot of effects plugins out there that give you that vintage lo-fi feel with that crackle. But this plugin is a instrument VST with all those built-in features into the plugin. So it has a very simple and straightforward user interface with almost no menu diving at all. So what we're going to do now is we're going to listen to a demo track that I created. Everything that you're going to hear is from Ember besides the drums. So this plugin currently retails for $148.35. I have no idea why that number is so specific with the 35 cents. But yeah, that is the price. But you can also get it on a 14-day free trial if you want to try it out before you buy it. I'm not being paid and I'm not being sponsored by Yam Audio to make this video, but I did receive a free copy in order for me to check it out and decide whether I want to make any content around it. So what we're going to do now is dive straight into the sound demos so you can hear for yourself what it sounds like, and hopefully you get an idea of what this thing is trying to achieve. So that was Ember by Yam Audio, the vintage vibe machine. If you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. To all my patrons, thank you very much for supporting and your continued support of this channel. Until the next one, I will see you later.